It's a special day at the garden today. It's our very first ampalaya harvest, and they deserve a special dish. Our heritage Ilocano Pinakbet. No stir, no sahog, Awan Sagpaw na apo. Original, authentic. Join us here at the garden for this special dish. 100% vegetarian pinakbet a la Ilocana. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook, and share. Not our best shoot, but our most awaited pinakbet nga Awan Sagpaw na. Join us here at the garden for some learning and fun. That's true, pinakbet nga Awan Sagpaw na ko namin nga Ilocano. Since this is a traditional Ilocano dish, I'll be delivering this partially in my native Ilocano. Sorry. Yeah, we have to give this its deserved character. And believe it or not, these are the only ingredients that we need. You might be surprised with the big slices. Well, it will shrink. We want them to retain their shape as they cook and shrink. That's why. But if you will, you can slice the pieces smaller than this. Your way. My standard ratio has been 1:3. 1 portion ampalaya, 3 portions aubergine or eggplant. But the rest of the ingredients, the listings, and the proportions are in the description box. And here they are, onions and garlic. Use more than 4 cloves of garlic. And ginger. You may slice them thinly, if you will. Never seen before on YouTube, kitchen scraps as a foreground. You might be wondering why the oil. Well, this is a departure from the traditional. We know that oil and anchovy will make a good marriage. They go perfectly well together. And this eggplant absorbs oil or fat. Imagine this absorbing this combination. And the fattiness is neutralized by these tomatoes. And all those flavors are further accentuated by the ampalaya. That's what we're doing today. That's why we're doing this a la style of Manang Grace. This is her recommendation. You stir fry your ingredients first. Di ba, Mana? Okay. So this is an enhanced pinakbet version. Kita man manang no kasutika ato ti mantika na. Look how, yeah. And Manang Grace is in agreement with the amount of oil we're using.
Lagay mo na itabog dyan laya.
And the laya, kunana. This is her menu actually. This is her recipe. Show Manang Grace, this is hers.
Hello.
And then the bawang. I'll repeat what I just said. Traditionally, we would just combine all this, but this is an enhanced version, introducing fat to the recipe. Since we don't have sagpaw, awan ti sagpaw na dito apo. Kaasimot. Iso nga masapol mo ti mantika. If we had the pork belly, it's the belly that would introduce fat, but this time not. Mabalimot ka no ikantisit saron, but we are avoiding kababuyan. Yeah, I want this sahog. I want the kababuyan na. So, and then this one. So some of the okay. And Manang, what do we do next? Tell them.
Dahil sir.
Kunam iparabaw kan unag.
I-mix ko dato yung tao mo sagpaw na.
Okay. Anong gurgaman?
Hindi pa nabugon dato?
Hanga bubuguan na nabuongon mo.
No, that's good.
Nagap na.
Manang Grace says we'll add the parya next. And then that, hanga ikubkiwa, di ba Manang?
No. Iko lang. Nadamdaman ko.
Okay. And then... If you notice, no stirring.
And then cover it.
Hindi bugoong.
And then,
And the anchovy sauce. I'll use 1/4 cup.
five minutes.
So let me just tell you this: the pinakbet. Pinakbet is an Ilocano word which means kibet. Pinakbet, meaning it's shrunk. It's shrunk until we get its chewy texture. While we wait for 5 minutes and Manang Grace does her action, let me introduce you to this eggplant recipe. It's fried, crunchy, just like kamote Q, and it's dressed with molasses or thick brown sugar, liquefied brown sugar. It's a Spanish style and it originated from Andalusia. Try it. The recipe and instructions below. It's been 5 minutes and Manang Grace does the mixing without stirring. Tarap ko namin ng Ilocano.
See?
Simmer and again
Yeah.
around the 10th minute.
It's now clear.
After this, flame off. And voila, our most awaited Awan Sagpaw ng Pinakbet. Everyone enjoyed it. Manang Grace enjoyed it. Our foreign guests, or the locals, correction, enjoyed it. Name mas Manang?
The best, Talaga.
Ore on Sagpaw na? So thank you for joining us here today at the garden, this time cooking at Manang Grace's place, at her side. See you on the next video.